How to earn money with Pancake Swap. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to earn money with Pancake Swap, how to get started, and how we can simply use it. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will go to pancakeswap.finance and you will land on this platform right here. Pancake Swap is used to trade, earn, and win crypto on the most popular decentralized platform in the galaxy. That's what they say. It's a really easy platform to use and you can get started for free as well. So to get started, you have to just connect your wallet. So I'm going to click on connect wallet right here, and now you can see we can connect our MetaMask, Binance wallet, Coinbase wallet, and more. So I'm going to connect my MetaMask. So I will just select it and now it will open up my MetaMask for me. I'm going to click on connect and it will be connected. There you go. I have my wallet connected to PancakeSwap and it will show me my earnings right here, and I can just start earning with PancakeSwap. So we have a trade option right here, which is like swap, limit, liquidity, and perpetual, but we're not focusing on that. Today, this tutorial is focused on the earning point of view of PancakeSwap. So I'm going to go to earning, and in earning, we have two options. We have farms and pools. So that's what I will be showing you today. First of all, we have farms. So what is farms? Farms are stake LP tokens to earn. So in farms, what we do is we're gonna stake LP tokens and then simply make money. How to use farms on PancakeSwap? Well, it's really easy. First of all, you get all of the different assets right here that you can choose. For example, Cake and BNB. This is one of the famous ones. Then we have BUSD and BNB, High and BUSD, Trivia and BNB. Then we have others as well, all of these different tokens. So I'm going to go ahead and check this one out, like Cake and BNB. So you can see this is a core and this will show me my earnings. Well, I have not earned anything from here. APR is given here, like the percentage, and you will be able to see it right here. If you want to calculate it, we get this calculator right here, and I'll show you how to calculate it. Then we have liquidity. Now this is the liquidity in dollars, and then we have a multiplier, and this is going to be 40x. We also have a drop down, and it's a simple option to enable and harvest right here in the farm. So this is like going to be really easy access to contract, pair info, and Cake BNB LP. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the information right here, and it will open up in a new window. Until it opens up, I'll take you there. I will simply take you to the calculator as well and show you how to calculate the APR on PancakeSwap. You'll just click on the calculator and it will open it up. We have Cake BNB LP staked. First of all, you have to enter the USD. So I'm gonna go with 200. Now, this is what we're getting in Cake BNB LP. So we have to select the balance. So I have already 200. Staked for. Now you have to select the time. You're gonna stake for 1 year, 5 year, 30 days, 7 days, or 1 day. So I'm gonna be staking for 1 year, and this is our compounding every 1 day. And this is what I will be making ROI at current rates. This is what I will be earning, which is going to be $42.42. This is pretty good amount, pretty good rates that we are getting on PancakeSwap. So I can just now, check it. Let's go with the minimum amount as well. And let's say that I go with $20. Then I will be making $4 right here. And let's go with the less time as well. So of course, it depends on the time as well. The more time you stake your asset for, the more earnings you will be making. We're checking out this platform, but I do want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Staking and trading involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money. So make sure that you truly understand crypto and you truly understand everything. Then you can just simply go ahead and use PancakeSwap to make money. This is a tutorial on the platform PancakeSwap and how it helps us to earn money. That being said, let's continue. So I can just select the days from here, right? I can go with 30 days. And for 30 days, I'm going to increase the amount again. I just want to show you each and everything. So for this, I am going with again $200 for 30 days. So I will be making $3. Now, again, with 1 year, of course, I will make more. With $30, this is the amount that I will be getting. So this is how we can calculate our APR from here. Now I have opened up the Cake and BNB LP right here, the liquidity, and this is what it is. If I want to add the liquidity, I can select the pair. So we are going with BNB and Cake. To add liquidity, you just click right here and you will be able to add the liquidity right here. And this is how the farms work. And you can just scroll down now and check all of these different assets and pairs, and you will be able to simply make money through farms on Pancake Swap. This is the live. We can also go with the finished view. We can filter our search from these options given here. Now let's move to earn pools. Alright, so this is our serial pools right here. Just take some tokens to earn. High APR, low risk. Now in pools, what we do is we just take any tokens. We're not staking LP now. We're staking any tokens to earn money. Keep in mind, higher the APR, lower the risk is going to be. Again, the look for pool is again the same, but this time we have like each single token. The first one is take Cake, earn high, earn OLE, earn trivia. So all of these different, tokens and assets. So I'm gonna select the first one. Cake staked, this is the amount that I have staked. I haven't, so it says 0. Flexible APY, again we can calculate it. So I'm gonna open up the calculator. So this is where I can enter an amount for the flexible ROI, and we also have locked. So I'm going to show you flexible and then locked. So you just have to enter the amount. I'm going to go with $100 for 1 year. This is the time. And this is the ROI at current rates. You can see $3.85, which is 3.85%. If we go to the locked, in locked, if I go with the same amount, $100, now, of course, the timing is going to be low for like 1 week, and I will be going with $0.10 right here. Of course, with locked, there is more risk. With flexible, you can go with 30 days or 1 day, but with lock, of course, higher the risk and the more profits you will be making. So this is how you can go with ROI calculator, and you can calculate your flexible and locked stakes right here. So I'm going to close it. Then we have locked APY percentage given here, total staked right here, and then we have details again. So if I click on the details, it will again show me see the token info, view tutorial, view contract, and add to MetaMask. So this is the option if you were looking for how to add any kind of token to your MetaMask, the wallet that you have connected. So you can just click right here and you will be able to do so. There is also an auto option available for this one right here on Pancake Swap, and it allows us to do it automatically. We can also view the contract. This is for you can see 0 to 2% performance fee. And then we have enable pool. So if I want to enable it, I will just click on enable and the pool will be enabled, and I will be simply able to stake tokens and earn money on Pancake Swap. Similarly, we have all of the different, tokens given here. These were the top ones. So I can just check any of these and I can calculate from the calculator their APR. And then we can check the live prices. Again, keep in mind the prices I'm showing you right now and the prices I'm calculating, they are at the time of making this video. They may vary when you are calculating your pricing. So all of these different options are available. And now I can just stake with flexible or locked one, and I will be able to earn money through farms or pools on Pancake Swap. It's a really easy platform to use, and I can again go with the live or finished from here. Then we have sort by, and you can go with APR, earn, total stake, and latest to filter your search. You can also search for the pools here. Your funds, the money that you have, will be shown right here in your wallet. You can see I have like $4 right now. This is my wallet, and it will show me my recent transactions. We can also go to settings and check it out. Other than that, we have win as well, where we can go to the trading competition and win a lottery as well. That's also like earning on Pancake Swap, but it depends on your luck. And then there is an NFT marketplace as well available on Pancake Swap now, and if you have any collection, you can list on Pancake Swap and earn money that way as well. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to start earning money using Pancake Swap. I gave you a full tutorial of the platform. I showed you how you can earn through farms and polls, and I hope now you understand how to earn money with Pancake Swap. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.